This Metabo HPT Table Saw 10 inches Jobsite table saw features a 15-amp motor with 4,500 RPM and is engineered for rip sawing and cross-cutting of ordinary wood, hardwood, plywood, and composite wood materials. The fold and roll stand is designed with sturdy legs for easy setup and breakdown, providing stability while in use. The stand also incorporates wheels to ensure the user can maneuver through tough terrain with ease. This features a soft start, an electric brake, and a large working table size with a telescoping table extension that can support a max rip capacity of 35 inches to the right, capable of 3 1/8 inches cut at 90 degrees and 2 1/4 inches cut at 45 degrees. This user-friendly table saw is an ideal choice for any workshop or job site. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Telescoping table extension. Supports 35 inches of ripping capacity to the right and 22 inches to the left. Number 2. Bevel range of 0 degree to 45 degrees. For cuts ranging from 3 1/8 inches at 0 degrees to 2 1/4 inches at 45 degrees. Number 3. Oversized power switch with emergency off safety cover. Designed at knee level for immediate shutdown as an added safety feature. Number 4. Stable and durable fold and roll stand. Ensures accurate cuts with less wobble and provides for easy transport. Number 5. Includes table saw, 10 inches 40-tooth carbide-tipped blade, blade guard, push stick, wrenches, kickback, rip fence, and miter gauge assemblies, outfeed support. Number 6. Motor. Powerful 15-amp motor with 4,500 RPM for tackling the toughest cutting application. Number 7. Table size. 28 3/4 inches by 22 inches working table size, with outfeed support of 28 3/4 inches by 2 inches for easy and stable material support. Number 8. Technology. Featuring soft start and electric brake. Number 9. Easy adjustments, blade height or angle, as well as simple fence adjustments to adhere to the cutting material. Number 10. Blade. 10 inches 40T carbide-tipped blade. Offers high cutting capacity, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.